Hey everybody, this is Dale with Networking Step by Step, and in today's video cheat sheet we're going to configure route summarization between OSPF areas. First, we're going to do some baseline show commands to look at how the routes are being propagated before the route summarization. Then we're going to summarize the routes on some area border routers, and then we're going to do some verification commands to see if the summarization worked. So let's look at the network topology. We're going to configure route summarization on router 3 and router 4 because they're the area border routers for area 2 for prefixes coming from router 6. And we're going to be on router 2 seeing if the route summarization worked. So let's get started. On router 2 I'm going to do a show IP route, pipe include 66 dot. And that's going to show us the two prefixes that we're going to summarize. These are the prefixes coming from router 6. They're learned via OSPF and they're inter-area prefixes. They're also /32s. These are specific stub networks. These are actually loopback addresses that are configured on router 6. So they're both /32s. And we're going to configure summarization on router 3 and 4 because they're the area border routers, and we're going to summarize those two prefixes to a /24. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go over to router 3. And then go over to router 4. Now, we have configured both router 3 and 4, the area border routers, with the following command. Area 2, telling it prefixes coming from originating from area 2 in the range of 66.66.66.0 at /24 is going to get summarized. Now in router 2 we only had two prefixes, but if I created another loopback address and then propagated it, it would also be summarized if it fell in this range. So let's see if the change has taken effect. Let's do the same command, show IP route, on router 2. And now those two /32s have been aggregated into a 66.66.66.0 /24 and is preferring it from router 4. So once again, we summarized routes between OSPF areas. You do that on the area border router, and you use the command area, the area number the prefixes are coming from, not going to. That does confuse people. It's the area that the prefixes are coming from. And then you set the range that is looking for the more specific prefixes to aggregate. So that's how you configure route summarization between OSPF areas. I hope that helps. And the next video cheat sheet, we're going to configure route summarization for external type prefixes, E1 and E2 type prefixes. So we'll see you at that one.